It is Monday, March 11th. And yes, I sent a very probably unexpected email over the weekend. And I am announcing that I am going to put the store up for sale. It's been a very long process of planning and thinking and deciding. It's not easy. However, I want to thank everyone who's given me such lovely well wishes. Some people have said, "Where are you going?" And I'm like, I'm not going anywhere. I live upstairs. I still own the building. Life is good. I am going to be right here in Southern Pines. So not to worry. I am not disappearing. I just will not be, at some point, taking care of the day-to-day. So that part will allow me some time to do lots of other things like read and, gosh, knit? What? Knit, travel, relax, hang out, go to lunch, go to dinner, call you guys up and do things with you so I'm not sitting at my desk paying bills, that kind of stuff, you know? It'll be good. So anyway, this is the beginning of the process. And I don't know where it will lead me, but or us, but know that we are all in this together, and you all are my priority. All right. We have the latest and greatest from Frabjous Fibers. This is part of their series, which they send us once a month, and this is the one for March. This from it's Wonderland Yarns, and it's the Mad Hatter yarn, and we're still in the what's her name? Jane Austen. Oh my God, I'm so bad. Chrissy goes, "What? You've never read that?" I was like, it's just I didn't read the classics, so maybe I could do that when I'm not working anymore. Read the classics. Okay. Yeah, True Confessions. Anyway, it's about. The theme is Jane Austen's Emma, the book Emma, okay? Chrissy told me all about it. It's very sweet. I know you all love it. But anyway, this is that, and you're getting an invitation to the Woodhouse family spring picnic, which is lovely, and you're getting these adorable stitch markers. One is the book of Emma, and one is a bird cage. So it's all awesome, whether I know what it is or not, right? Okay, I think that's, I'm sorry, $40. And I think there's a limited quantity because we have a lot of regulars that get them. So if you want it, let us know ASAP. All right, the train is passing through, the freight train today. So a little background noise never hurts. I will see you on Tuesday. Remember, I'm leaving on Wednesday and I won't be back until next week. However, once again, thanks to all of you for your very sweet and thoughtful words. And we will make it through this, I promise. Probably not without a lot of tears and some wine and some partying. But anyway, it'll all be good. All right. I think that's all I have for today. I will see you tomorrow.